So coming to this, today's discussion is about these two projects. One is SVH Metro Street, which is located on the Dwarka Expressway in Sector 84. Another one is Trehan Iris Broadway, which is located in Sector 85 and 86. So I'll just run through a small presentation for both the projects, and then we can take it from there. So this one is SVH Metro Street, and the location of the project SVH Metro Street is on the Sector 84 Dwarka Expressway. I'll just take you to brief about the project here. This video should kind of give us a brief. It's a 2-minute video. This was the initial advertisement which was shared by the builder, and the project is located right on the confluence of Dwarka Expressway and the National Highway 8. And this is where the Dwarka Expressway is going to be touching the National Highway 8 in Sector 84. So this project is around 800 meters from the National Highway 8 on the Dwarka Expressway. And as of today, this project is ready. It's ready for fit outs. Certain buyers have already started getting the interiors done. And this is the latest video from the project, wherein this is after the occupation certificate has been obtained. So the project is already now completed, and this is an actual project picture. This video is an actual video at the project. All right. So if I say that what's so special about this, why should an investor look into making an investment here, and what are the salient points? First of all, the salient point is that this project has a 640 feet, or rather approximately 200 meters of frontage on the Dwarka Expressway, which gives it a very high visibility. दिखने में बिल्कुल ऐसे ये मैजेस्टिक ऊपर खड़ा हुआ टावर, एंड द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे once completed, I mean, I would say another 6 odd months, जब उस पर ट्रैफिक फ्लो होने लगेगा तो लाखों लोगों को ये प्रोजेक्ट जो है वो जो द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे इज गोइंग टू कनेक्ट द वेस्टर्न दिल्ली एंड द नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न दिल्ली टू Gurgaon via the 33-kilometer road. And before these people are going to hit NH8. So this particular road is going to not just be a commuting road for people wanting to come to Gurgaon. The traffic which wants to go to Jaipur from Delhi, they'll start using this route. The people who are coming from GT Road, which is from the Chandigarh Karnal bypass axis, and they want to flow in through the ring road and come to Dwarka and then move on to NH8, they'll be using this road. So Dwarka Expressway in times to come is going to see very huge flow of traffic. And this particular project has a 200-meter frontage and straight up visibility there. It looks like, आप देखेंगे उसको सामने से तो बड़े बड़े शोरूम्स हैं डबल हाइट के, और उसके साथ में ही there is a huge office complex which extends to, I think, around 22 floors. So it looks like a majestic hill kind of a thing on the Dwarka Expressway. And approximately, the approximation is that in this particular project, there'll be around 8,000 to 10,000 people on a daily basis footfall. And this is an high street retail design. Given the location of the project और जिस तरह का ये project बनाया गया है, my estimation is that a lot of luxury brands are going to move into this project in next 3 to 5 years. So इनकी जो front वाली shops हैं, they are 19.5 feet, लगभग 20 feet ऊंचा double heighted shops हैं with an access from the arterial road, Dwarka Expressway. So I assume that, in times to come, brands like Mercedes, brands like Audi, brands like Tiffany, brands like Rolex and Tanishq and those kind of brands, luxury brands, are because they will need that kind of frontage to showcase themselves, to be visible to the high-end retail buyers and to be visible to people who can spend that kind of money. So this is going to be a very premium segment retail destination for some of the top brands, Hamleys, and those kind of things. Now with Indian economy expanding and getting more and more, I would say, richer and wealthier, now the international brands and the top brands need this kind of a space. The project is a 3-level basement parking, and there is a separate entry for a 5-screen multiplex. So there is a 5-screen multiplex with retail outlets and office spaces, with again the office space, and has a separate entry with a triple height reception lobby to it. So I would say when you go around the project, look inside, and the feel is that it's a very high-end retail kind of a thing. So people who have been to the DLF Prominent Mall in South Delhi on the Nelson Mandela Road and those areas, they would be able to relate to this. And this is how this project is going to come up in next 3 to 5 years. Now, what are the kind of investment options available here? Investment options start at around 55 lakhs, which is for a office space, which is now ready. The office space is approximately 600 square feet of super area. It's an independent lock and key space. An investor can buy that and look at either starting a own business or renting it out. In addition, the food court has been leased out by the builder to a company, and this is going to be functional in another 3 odd months. The fit outs are already going on. The Cineplex would be available in next 6 odd months. Again, the multiplex ke fit outs are going on. So as of now, if one wants to invest, the options start at 55 lakhs and they go up till 8 CR in the project. Financial closure of the project has been obtained. That means the occupation certificate has been obtained. There are no third-party dues, third-party clearances, third-party dues have been made. So project from a technical, marketable, financial point of view is completely ready and good for usage as of today. Now, what are the prospects of future growth? Future growth के हिसाब से देखें, given the location, the project actually is very, very attractively priced. The basic sale price for offices is 8,500 rupees per square feet, and the additional charges are around 1,091, let's say 1,100 rupees. So total price is around 9,600 rupees per square feet. Since the project is ready, there is no GST burden on the investors now. So that's another 5% saving. And those who have been investing on Dwarka Expressway, they will realize that this price is lesser than a lot of residential stock which is now being sold on Dwarka Expressway, and residential stock in effect being sold at a price higher than a commercial stock is indicative of the kind of bubble which is forming up in certain residential projects. As compared, here the price is lesser than the residential projects which are available in the market, and those residential projects are under construction. This is a completed project. Second, Dwarka Expressway itself is going to witness a very handsome growth because it's now going to get started another 6 to 8 months. अभी भी कुछ जगह blockages हैं, side roads के काम होने हैं, some patchwork is going to be there. Fully functional होने में और 1 साल लगेगा. But with everything getting into settling down, getting into place, then you'll find that Dwarka Expressway is going to witness more traffic even then as compared to National Highway 8. उससे भी ज़्यादा traffic यहाँ पर होने वाला है. So I would say anyone who is entering Dwarka Expressway as of today at the right kind of price would be able to get around 12% to 15% CAGR in next 10 odd years. So for a 55 lakh investment, I would be quite confident that the same investment would be around 2.3 to 2.4 crores in terms of market value or capital value after 10 odd years. Rental returns would be additional as to what one gets. And then this particular project they have done a very good work in terms of construction. Construction quality is very impressive, which can be felt, which can be seen when one goes and has a look at the project. So with passage of time, this particular project is going to continue to attract more people due to the good construction quality, more and more buyers as well as more and more retailers. So I would say this project is a very good combination of location, excellent location, two arterial roads. Dwarka Expressway and NH8 both give connectivity to this project. Then excellent construction quality, which we have witnessed ourselves. I've been there with a lot of prospective buyers, and people have appreciated the kind of construction they have completed. And price is also very fair. And given the project, given the location, I would say the builder could have actually priced it a bit higher than what they're offering it to the buyers as of now. So a unique combination of good location, good construction quality, and good price, which is going to give the investors a good future growth. Now, what would have been better? I would say, what's not so good or what could have been better about the project. One, the builder is builder का ये पहला project है. So market recognition अभी इतना नहीं है. Lot of people don't know about SVH. Lot of people are not aware of the project. As a result, it is going to take another couple of years wherein people start recognizing the quality. So the builder has not really done a good job in terms of marketing the project. And as a result, investors who go now, they will still be able to get value. जैसे जैसे marketing बढ़ता जाएगा तो those things will, the price will increase and they'll not get that value. दूसरा, बिल्डर को अभी बड़ी ब्रांड्स को लाने में टाइम लगेगा. मल्टीप्लेक्स तो तैयार हो गया, लेकिन रिटेल ब्रांड्स ने अभी वहां पर आना शुरू नहीं किया. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है दैट बिल्डर नीड्स टू पुट इन सम एफर्ट्स टू गेट बिगर ब्रांड्स सो दैट द बिल्डर इज एबल टू यूटिलाइज द प्रोडक्ट विच दे हैव क्रिएटेड. इट्स एक्चुअली ब्यूटीफुल प्रोडक्ट, और उसको अगर ये अच्छे से यूटिलाइज करते हैं गिवन द लोकेशन, and they get some big brands, as I said, something like Hamleys and Tanishq and one of those expensive and premium segment automobiles and etc. Then this product will actually suit those people. So I would be very pleased if the builder starts making those efforts in terms of getting that kind of tenants also, and then the investors money will actually see a much faster and bigger jump. So that could be something which the builder should work on. Other than that, it's a fab project, and I am very impressed with this. The next, I will cover the next one. Just give me a moment here.